To clean up storage on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to click on About Phone Information and then click on the storage right here. That way we'll be able to find the cleanups. First one is just clear. If you select that, it will check for any unwanted files on your phone. And when they are found, you'll be able to select which files you want to remove. For example, select the cache files and see which apps will clear their cache. The same with obsolete files, packages, residuals, and memory. From memory, for example, it will clear 300 megabytes of space and will clean the data from all of those apps in memory. We can confirm it, and that way we'll free up space on our device. The other way to do it is perform a deep clean. So click on the deep clean right here, and then you will see the options, the actually detailed options. For example, you can uninstall any unwanted apps like a bloatware that is on this device when you first set it up. Then you can clear app data, and you can also perform Facebook cleaners, and there's many other options. For right now I don't have all of them because I didn't use that phone that much, but for example you should also see options to delete duplicate photos or photos taken by accident, and plenty more. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.